Hello friends, today we are talking about orifice plate. What is orifice plate? A device used to measure flow rate of fluids in pipelines. Consists of a thin plate with a hole orifice at the center. Works on Bernoulli's principle and differential pressure measurement. Commonly used in industries for flow measurement. There is an introduction about orifice plate. An orifice plate is inserted between two flanks in a pipeline. Creates a pressure drop as a fluid passes through the hole. The pressure difference is related to flow rate. Simple, reliable, and inexpensive flow measuring device. Principle of working based on Bernoulli's theorem. Energy conservation in fluid flow. Fluid velocity increases at the orifice, causing pressure drop, pressure difference before and after the plate is measured. Flow rate is calculated using Q equals to C into A into under root 2 delta P rho. Construction about orifice plate. Thin circular plate made of stainless steel or brass. Central hole sharp edged forms the orifice. Install it between flanks with pressure tapping points. Pressure taps measure differential pressure across plate. There are types of orifice plates. Concentric orifice plate, hole at the center, most common type. Eccentric orifice plate, hole offset from center for dirty fluids. Segmental orifice plate, semicircular hole for slurries. Quadrant edge orifice plate, used for viscous fluids. Working procedure of orifice plate. Fluid passes through orifice causing a pressure drop. Measure upstream and downstream pressure using manometer or transmitter. Calculate differential pressure delta P. Determine flow rate using calibrated equations or charts. There is some advantages and limitations of orifice plate. Advantages: simple design and low cost, easy to install and replace. Limitations: causes permanent pressure loss, accuracy affected by wear and deposits. And there are some applications of orifice plate used in chemical and petrochemical industries, applied in water treatment and oil pipelines, used in HVAC and power plants for the flow measurement, suitable for both liquid and gas flow monitoring. Thank you.